Why do you feel lonely even when you have a lot of friends? आपका फ़ोन नामों से भरा हुआ है. आपके वीकेंड्स कभी भी खाली नहीं होते. आप कहीं ना कहीं जाते हो. People invite you to their places. You go for lunches. You laugh. You talk. You shop together. You belong to fun groups. बट कहीं ना कहीं आपके अंदर आपको लगता है कि आप अकेले हो. ऐसा नहीं कि कोई आसपास में है नहीं, पर जो है वो भी वाकई में साथ नहीं है. Whenever you say I'm feeling lonely, normally people immediately think that you need more people around you. You need more friends, you need more plans to be made, you need more trips, more conversations, you need better time with them. And sometimes ऐसा होता है कि हमें कोई दूसरा इंसान नहीं चाहिए. We just need to feel that one person who is already there in the room to be able to see us. Truly see us. There is a difference between being known and being seen, being recognized. हो सकता है कि लोग ये जानते हो कि आप क्या करते हो. Where do you work? Who you are dating? आपको खाने में क्या पसंद है? आप लंचेस के लिए कहाँ पे जाते हो? Where do you go for your holidays? What kind of clothes do you wear? They might know the version of you that appears easily in their conversation. But do they know what you are afraid of? What are you carrying and what you are going through today? Or in this time? क्या उनको ये पता है कि आप कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ें जैसे आप शर्मिंदा होते हो एडमिट करने से? What you have been questioning your life with? What you wish somebody would ask you without having to ask them to ask you. Sometimes loneliness is not absence of connection. Sometimes it is the absence of being truly witnessed, being seen. This is a big distinction that changes everything. हो सकता है आपके आसपास 50 लोग हों, but you can still feel invisible. वो 50 लोग किसी काम के नहीं है. And there is something very uncomfortable here. Sometimes we complain that nobody really knows us without giving nobody access to parts of us that actually could be known. हम खुद नहीं दिखाते. People know about our achievements, the successes we have had, but we hide our insecurities. We show our humorous side, but we hide what hurts us. We tell them what happened, बट कभी हमने ये बताया कि what did that mean to us? हमारे साथ उसने किया क्या उस एक्सपीरियंस ने? We say I'm fine, पर कभी किसी को बोला है कि कोई आप बताते हो किसी को कि I'm struggling through this? Because that is way too much information. अब होता क्या है कि लोग उसी वर्जन को देखना शुरू करते हैं, दूसरे वर्जन से मिलने का कभी मौका ही नहीं मिलता. And then we continuously wonder, why doesn't anybody really know me, deep inside? The question is not only who understands me. The question is कि मैं लोगों को क्या दिखा रहा हूं? What am I still unwilling for people to see? Sometimes there is a wall between you and the other person, and it is not because of their lack of interest. It is built by you or your fear to be fully seen. हमने वो बैरिकेड क्रिएट किया हुआ है, हमने वो डिफरेंस क्रिएट किया हुआ है. And somewhere along the way you learned that being accepted required being easy to accept. तो आपने क्या किया? आप हर चीज़ में अग्री करने लग गए. You became capable, you became funny, you sounded strong, you showed your success. The person that everybody can depend on, that strong person. You became very good at being liked, but not so good at being known. These parts, no one knew about you, but you never allowed them to come out. ये बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस है. जब हम लोगों को बोलते हैं कि आप मुझे देख नहीं पा रहे हो, मैंने कितना अलाउ किया है. बीइंग लाइट कैन हैपन थ्रू परफॉर्मेंस. मैं परफॉर्म कर रहा हूं उनके सामने. बीइंग नोन रिक्वायर्स यू टू एक्सपोज योरसेल्फ. एक्सपोजर कभी भी आसान नहीं होता. इट फील्स डेंजरस, इट फील्स रिस्की, बिकॉज वंस समबडी सीज दैट एडिटेड वर्जन ऑफ यू, दे कैन ईजिली रिजेक्ट हु यू ट्रूली आर. एंड द माइंड मेक्स दैट बार्गेन. वो इवेल्युएट करता है, शायद आई नीड टू गिव देम द वर्जन ऑफ myself that they will like and keep the rest of it to myself. और ये काम करता है because people like you, people invite you, people laugh with you, they feel comfortable with you, and but that's a very small part of you. That is not the whole you. और जो मेजर पार्ट आपका है वो सिर्फ आपके अंदर ही दबा रह जाता है, वो किसी को दिखाई भी नहीं देता है. और आप देखोगे कि आप कई कॉन्वर्सेशंस में अचानक बहुत थका हुआ महसूस करते हो. यू रिमेन अनटच्ड बाय दोज कॉन्वर्सेशंस. इट्स नॉट मीनिंगफुल, इट इज नॉट टचिंग योर हार्ट. यू आर देयर प्रेजेंट, but somewhere there is a performance going on. Smile करना है, extra कुछ करना है. You are talking, but you are not revealing yourself. You are listening, but you're also monitoring that, ये मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहे होंगे, क्या मेरे को जज कर रहे होंगे. शायद ये जो थकान है, जो एग्जॉस्टन है, it is not socializing. It is the difference between who you're experiencing yourself to be and what you're allowing other people to see. वो आप में ही दोनों का डिफरेंस है. एक वर्जन जो आप दिखा रहे हो, एक जो वर्जन जो आप हो. सो मे बी जब आप ये क्वेश्चन करते हो ना, हाउ डू आई मेक मोर फ्रेंड्स, या आप ऐसी सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स पढ़ते हो, हाउ टू मेक मोर फ्रेंड्स, मे बी इट्स अ गुड आइडिया टू आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन कि ऐसी कौन सी जगह है जब आई बिकम लेस ऑफ माई सेल्फ अराउंड पीपल. हु मेक्स यू फील दैट यू हैव टू बी इम्प्रेसिव? What makes you feel that you have to be always useful for people to like you? What makes you feel that you always have to pretend that you're okay? और शायद अपने आप से ये क्वेश्चन पूछना बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Where do I do this even when nobody is asking me to? क्योंकि हम लोग कई बार ये मास्क एक पहन के चलते हैं और इतना टाइम तक पहने रखते हैं कि हम भूल जाते हैं कि हमने एक मास्क पहना हुआ है. दिस इज नॉट ट्रूली अस, एंड देन वी ब्लेम द वर्ल्ड फॉर नॉट रिकॉग्नाइजिंग अ फेस. तो आप मुझे जानते ही क्या हो, क्योंकि मैंने कभी दिखाया ही नहीं है. रियल कनेक्शन आस्क्स फॉर समथिंग ऑर्डिनरी बट वेरी डिफिकल्ट. ऑनेस्टी. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू टू कन्फेस ऑल योर डिटेल्स और योर एडमिशंस. नॉट इमोशनल डंपिंग, जस्ट बीइंग ऑनेस्ट. I currently have been, struggling with this, or I don't know what I want anymore, or, that hurt me. मैंने इतना बताया नहीं, but it did hurt me. Yeah, I'm scared of what will happen next. I might not have answer for this. ये sentences बड़े छोटे लगते हैं, but they actually open doors for someone to, connect with us. Intimacy usually does not arrive through grand declarations कि भाई मैं तो अब तेरा दोस्त हूँ. It grows with tiny moments when person says that here's something real about me, and the other person does not run away from that. This is probably where you should begin. You don't need to find 10 more friends. You can choose one person that you can truly trust, or maybe little trust, and tell them something you normally would not tell, that you would edit out, your deepest thoughts. You don't need to make yourself comfortable, just allow the silence to take over. And now notice what happens. Because there is another side of connection that we often overlook. You cannot always want to be understood. Are you capable of understanding the other person? Can you do the same for that person? Can you listen to their conversation without preparing a response or guidance that you would be giving? क्या आप किसी की स्टोरी सुन सकते हो without being uncomfortable? क्या आप उनको परमिशन देते हो, जो आपने उनकी एक इमेज बनाई हुई है, क्या उसके अलावा अगर वो कुछ दिखाते हैं, क्या आप परमिशन देते हो उस चीज़ को उनके होने के लिए? कैन यू लेट देम डिसअपॉइंट योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस विदाउट इमीडिएटली विड्रॉइंग फ्रॉम देम? कनेक्शन रिक्वायर्स टू पीपल विलिंग टू लीव देयर प्राइवेट वर्ल्ड्स एंड मीट समवेयर इन द मिडल. कि ये है सच. परहैप्स दिस इज वेयर लोनलीनेस बिकम्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, बिकॉज द डीपेस्ट मोमेंट्स मे नॉट कम फ्रॉम लोनलीनेस टू कंपैशन. एक स्पेक्ट्रम में इस साइड से उस साइड. It may be from protecting myself to being present, from hiding myself to be actually seen, from performing to actually participating, from asking, do they like me, to can I be here the way I am, my true self? You may discover something really surprising here. The moment you stop performing for connection, being likable, some relationships become a lot deeper. True connection. Some may become really uncomfortable. Some may quietly disappear because, they did not feel comfortable. That does not mean that you failed. Sometimes authenticity does not create more relationships. It just reveals which relationship had the permission for you to exist the way you are. So, आज रात को जब आपको लगे कि आप मुझे और लोग चाहिए अपनी लोनलीनेस को कवर करने के लिए, अपने आप से एक सवाल करना, क्या आपके सर्कल में कोई एक ऐसा इंसान है, उसको वो चीज़ें आपके बारे में पता है जो आप बाकियों को नहीं दिखाते हो? अगर जवाब है नहीं, then your search is not for a new person. It is for you to maybe, become more visible to people who are already there with you. Opposite of loneliness is not being surrounded by more people. It is to be truly being received. To have somebody sit beside you, कोई आपके साथ बैठे, without any performance, without you performing, without them performing. और आप जो बोलो उसको आपको कहीं मॉडिफाई ना करना पड़े, ट्रांसलेट ना करना पड़े. अगर आप शांति से बैठे हो तो आप कहीं भूले ना जाओ. अगर आप imperfect हो तो भी you stay with that person and that person does not leave you. This is a deeper place to arrive at. The place where you can stop asking the world, does anyone really see me? You start asking, am I willing to see myself? Am I willing to connect, truly connect? Because the relationship you have with yourself, it teaches you what kind of presence you can tolerate from other people. If you can't accept yourself, how can you accept anyone else? If you keep abandoning your own feelings, you keep searching for people who will rescue you from them. कोई नहीं आ पाएगा बचाने. You keep hiding yourself. Being seen by someone else may feel strangely threatening. But जब आप खुद के साथ बैठ सकते हो without any performance, without trying to fix yourself, without needing to become someone else, कुछ बदलाव आता है. अब इस जगह पे connection becomes less of finding people who would complete you. You meet people without having to disappear. You don't need a bigger circle. All you need is a little distance between who you are and who you are allowed the world to meet. जो आप लोगों को दिखाते हो. I think that's a good place to be. If you like this video, we continue to post videos on interesting topics like such. And I think it's a wise decision for you to subscribe to this channel, Mind Healing with Bhavesh. If you have any opinions, suggestions, or comments, you can write that down in the comment section below. I will see you again very soon with some another topic, with some other interesting video. Until then, stay blessed, stay healthy, and catch hold of this wisdom if you can. I shall see you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.